All right, people. So, working on this on another day. And since it seems like everywhere we want to be is out in the wide open sun, we have hitched up this pig and we're going to take it somewhere down in the woods into a forested area that's a lot cooler because, and we also have power there so that we can do some sanding and get the paint stripped off. Well, not all of it, but as much as we can, get this surface rust cleaned up and get all the rest of these little studs cut off and ground down. I guess we're gonna have to figure out our mounting plan for the fenders and get all this figured out. We got little screws here that need to be cut off. A bit of grinding, bit of cutting. Some things that need to be cleaned up and get it ready for paint. Hopefully we're painting today. So that's us. But we got so many screws and so much hardware that has to come out of this thing. Little studs that are sticking up, self-tapping screws from the prior setup. We're gonna get all of this pretty much squared away while we have access to everything and try to protect it, because we're going to cover this up and hopefully this will be the last time I ever see this frame exposed. But as you can see, there's different places. I mean, the steel is ridiculously thick. Like, this thing is really, really thick. And so it's overkill. Like, they don't build travel trailers with I-beam frames this heavy. So, you know, at least not 20 feet long. I mean, this is the real deal. Anyway, that's what we're starting with today. And we got everything loaded up in the old Polaris. Most of it, anyway. Some stuff. And yeah. Bags full of tools. Supplies we picked up yesterday. Yeah.
Hey, baby.
You good, baby?
Yes.
Ooh, bottle opener. See, that's the most important thing on the job site right now, especially considering how hot it is. Cool, cool. Oh, baby. No. You don't want to put the phone in there.
Yes.
No, not the phone. No.
Ah, okay.
Scratch it. Oh, okay. All right, hold on. Let me have that too, because that wheel will break right off if you side load it or whatever. Let's see if I can find a safe home to stick this out for the ride up there. That'll stay there. That's good. Okay, cool. That's a wrap. And away we go. 20-foot trailer towed by a Polaris. Seems to work. We'll just use low range. I don't know if this is gonna push me down the hill or what. I'm about to find out. Maybe. Seems to work. Oh shit. Yeah, it's kind of pushing us down the hill a little bit. I think we're dragging the chains. You know what? Let me make sure we don't drag the chain over top of the chain on the ground and hook it. Looks like we're good. All right, let's try this again. Ooh, okay, there we go.